It is that time, ladies and gentlemen. We have to break down Nvidia stock today, as the stock is currently up around 0.5%. It's currently about 1 p.m. on the East Coast, by the way. And earlier in the day, guys, we were up even more, over $140 per share. So you guys know the drill. We're going to break down Nvidia, the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, guys, come on, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks for Moo. Check out the link down below. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. And once you deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, totaling 15 stocks, guys. So what are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Take a sip of your coffee, guys. You're going to need it. And let's dive right into the video. So it's about 1 p.m. right now on the East Coast when I'm making this video. You're probably watching it after the bell, but either way, it's relevant. And look, Nvidia stock broke out like no other out of the gate. Right at open, we shot up like crazy. I think we opened at about 138 and we ripped all the way to almost 141 in the first 5-10 minutes of trading. And since that point, guys, we have given back some of the gains. You guys can see now Nvidia is at $139 per share. If I pull up the 5-day, you guys can see we're kind of consolidating at about 138, 139 after hitting over 140 earlier in the day. So what we're noticing here, guys, is we're above the moving averages on this 5-day, 5-minute, and we're holding yesterday's lows as support. Yesterday we held, and it looks like Friday as well for some of the day, we held around 138. So that's a good sign. The fact that we're holding above that point again today, right? And mind you, 138 was resistance, it looks like, earlier last week, right? So we broke out of that resistance, and now over the last couple of days of trading, we've been holding it as support. Very good sign overall for the trend here, for the bulls. And here on the 30-minute chart, if I pull it up, now we have, which I think I covered this in my video, my recent update on Nvidia, but I'll mention it again for those that missed it. It looks like here we have an inverse head and shoulders, does it not? I mean, look, we have the left shoulder right here. Let me draw it out. Boom, you guys see that? The head's right here. You guys see the head. There we go. Beautiful. And then the right shoulder is right here. You guys see that? So this is intact. The inverse head and shoulders is intact. And for this to fully break out, for it to play out, we're going to have to break out of, I'd say 141, 142, which my alert is set at 142.50. So if that point is able to break, guys, yeah, Nvidia could fully be breaking out shortly thereafter. So we're looking decent, guys. Not the craziest green day today, but it's looking good still. It's it's enough for the inverse head and shoulders to still be intact, for us to still be holding trend on the 20-day chart, or maybe not the 20-day chart, but the 4-hour chart. We're still holding trend here if I get the channel tool out. So we're looking pretty good. All we have to do, though, is get back over 140, preferably 142. And once we do that, if we do that, that's where we could start breaking out even further. I mean, you guys know we've covered this before on the channel. I'll mention it again right now. We're in an uptrend on the 4-hour chart, obviously, and now we're at the bottom of the channel. Pretty obvious, right? We're at about 135, 140 bucks, fighting to hold a higher low right now. All we have to do is really wait for the confirmation of the breakout, which would be if we break out of 142.50, 142. From there, I think we're going 152, 150, maybe even higher. So yeah, guys, patience, patience. It's only a matter of time, in my opinion, before we get the breakout. And like I've said in recent, updates on Nvidia, I think this will go to $150 before the end of the year. I said that weeks ago, right? Months ago. My end of the year target was 150. Well, I guess we did hit that already about a week ago, but I think we're going to go back to 150. Obviously, we've seen a pull down. Now we're at 139. I think we will ultimately get back to 150. Obviously, in the long term, no doubt. But I'm talking before the end of the year. That's my prediction. I could be wrong. It's a short-term prediction, guys. Who knows what's going to happen? But that's mine. That's my prediction. What's yours? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. And by the way, join the email list. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email for free. All you have to do is use the link in the description box, put your first name and your email address, and boom, I'm going to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday, guys. Do it. It's free. So, yeah, that's a quick breakdown here on Nvidia, and a freaking stink bug just landed on my monitor. What is going on, guys? What the heck? Hold on. Let me get this little sucker off my monitor. What is going on? Yeah, that is... I don't know if you guys have these bugs where you're at, but I think they're called stink bugs. They're here in Jersey. They somehow get inside of my freaking house. I don't know how it's possible. But, yeah, now it's chilling on my desk. I'll take care of that bug after I'm done this video, guys. But, yeah. Am I the only one, by the way, that when they catch a bug or a spider, I actually just throw it out the window? I don't like just killing all these bugs. I mean, I've squashed a bunch of bugs, guys. But I don't know. Maybe I got a little sympathy for the spiders out there, for the bugs. I don't know. I'm going to throw him out the window, and hopefully he can fly. We'll see how it goes. But, yeah, that's a quick breakdown on Nvidia, guys. Alert set at $142.50. I might as well do another one at $140 per share. Mark is at or above. There we go. And, yeah. That's the rundown there, and the funny thing is, we're looking pretty decent as the stock market is not looking that great. We have the Russell down 0.5%, the Dow slightly in the red, S&P's at break even, QQQ is barely up about 0.1%. All right, not too crazy. But yeah, not much is going on with the indexes here. The VIX is down a bit. It looks like here we have gold and silver and oil up. So we have oil up 2.5%, crude oil. Let me pull this up and show you guys. It's creeping up a little bit, currently at about $70 a barrel here. We have gold up a bit on the day. Let me show you guys, about 0.5% in the green. And this actually looks pretty good. Gold, we have an inverse head and shoulders on it. You guys see it? If this plays out, maybe gold is setting up for a move back to 2,700, 2,800, maybe higher than that. So gold looks pretty good. GLD is a gold ETF that if we do make that move in gold, that inverse head and shoulders plays out. GLD could be a nice trading opportunity, in my opinion, maybe for a move back towards 250, 255. So keep your eyes on gold. Silver's also making a pretty nice move here. Silver's up about 2% today. Looks like the uptrend in silver is continuing. We're just waiting for the full-on breakout here. So in the meantime, I'm watching SLV, which is a silver ETF. You know, if you want to trade the price action of silver, you don't necessarily want to own the actual metal. Same thing with GLD for gold. Just buy SLV. You know, that gives you that gives you exposure to the actual price of silver, SLV. So yeah, I think gold and silver look pretty good right now for trades. Oil is creeping up a little bit. Obviously, you guys know I'm long and very bullish XLE, which now that I'm looking at it is down about $3 off the highs. This could very well be a nice dip buy opportunity on XLE. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube, guys. Very important. And get your free stocks from Moomoo. Like I said, once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, totaling 15 free stocks, and deposit at least I already said that. I'm losing my mind here, guys. Your uninvested cash, can't forget, will earn up to 8.1%. So if you want a bunch of free stocks, your cash to earn 8.1%, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your money, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.